Okay, everybody, first workout is 60 seconds on, 20 seconds off. I've cut it down to 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off to show you the exercises, make sure that you guys have them all down and know how to do them right. Now, we're going to do this set 3 times with the rest after 2 minutes after you do the final set of 10 exercises, all right? Here we go. The first exercise is speed squat with a hop. In 3, 2, 1, go. Make sure you breathe, hopping on those toes, head up, chest out. You're gonna feel it loading up after about 30 seconds. Get you warmed up, and rest. Remember, rest is 20 seconds, so rest is 10. Next exercise is push up and a half, so 1.5. You go down, and go. Down halfway, hold, up, down, up. All the way down, halfway up, back down, all the way up. All right, next exercise, squat, jump, hold, 4-second count, then jump and rotate. Squat, 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Squat down, head up, chest out. And rest again, 1 minute. Next is Superman's. On your stomach, arms out, and arch. Head up, chest out, look straight forward, breathe, put your butt cheeks together, everything's contracted on the back side. All right, now, next is slow, big mountain climbers, up on your hands, step forward, mainly working the core, and go. Notice my butt is down, not up in the air, straight tight, as if I were doing a push-up. Strong. And stop. Now, single leg deadlift. I'm going to show you the first set forward, second set from the side. Standing leg is slightly bent, reach forward, hinging at the hips, then back down. Hinge at the hips, head up, chest out, reach towards the wall, point that toe back, try to stay balanced. Okay, now switch sides. I'm going to show you from the side. Again, head up, chest out, look towards that wall, and go. Now, to make it more advanced, arms up. Back here. Okay. Next, we have a T push-up with a rotation. Push-up position. Down, rotate out, and up. Then alternate sides. Hands are wide, 2 feet apart, and rotate. Working that core. Get a full rotation up. Breathe. All right, next. We have a lunge with a twist. Alternating lunge with a twist. Hands are straight out in front. Step with the left, twist to the left. Exhale as you twist. Right leg, right twist. Left leg, left twist. The knee does not go out past the toes on that forward foot. Remember, back knee down. All right, switch it up. Next, we're going to do plank Spider-Mans. Same as your warm-up. Hands down, butt tight, put your bring the knee out and up. Exhale. Work on that side, working on those obliques. Okay, and that's it. Repeat that, take a 2-minute rest, and repeat that 3 times. Drink lots of water, take lots of deep breaths, and stretch when you're done. All right. See you next time.